Redfeather and Cycle Rage from Grepacks. In this DIY technology video, we will be showing you how to replace a key-fob battery for a Honda Civic. As you can see, we started our Honda Civic. We were greeted with a message saying our keyless remote battery was low. For this procedure, our keyless remote requires one 3-volt Duracell battery. This can be purchased at most auto parts stores, including but not limited to Amazon, although we purchased ours at Ace Hardware. Detach the back of the Civic Honda keyless remote, then removing the battery, but take caution here, as things can go wrong, as we will show you. But do not panic. This procedure is quite simple. Notice after removing the backing of our key fob, better known as the keyless remote, and being the battery is held in place quite well, the rest of the keyless remote fell apart in our hands. Notice, before removing the battery, how the Honda Civic key fob battery is set in. It's clips. Then use an item or tool to easily pry upward and slide the battery out. Once you have opened your new keyless remote battery, peel the protective backing off. This should be the side that is down and makes contact. Once the Honda Civic keyless remote battery is in place, flip the key fob over, place the function gel pad on, and then the outer casing to assure proper seating. Then carefully remove the outer casing. Once this is done with the Honda Civic keyless remote, place each one of the function buttons into place carefully and adjust as needed. Then placing the outer casing back on. Next, taking the back part of the Honda Civic key fob, clipping it back together. Once this is done, give the function buttons on the keyless remote a test run, assuring they are all seated properly. If everything feels and looks good, it is then time to give it the true test of starting our Honda Civic, and within the start, the message keyless remote battery low should no longer appear. So, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Our keyless low battery warning message has cleared. I hope you have enjoyed this DIY technology video and found it helpful in some fashion, and if so, then why not give this video a like? And while you're at it, why not become a subscriber and ring that bell in order to be notified your way of newly released videos. I mean, ladies and gentlemen, after all, it is free. The intro and extra of this video has been provided by none other than Alex Bayou 1. Thank you in advance. I am out.